Today's episode is Classic Caillou replaces her mom's soap with pink dye/grounded.
Great! I am grounded for throwing a party. I got my electronics back. What can I do this time? I know. I will replace my mom's soap with pink dye. This will be so fun. Ha 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 ha. Now let's put pink dye in the soap. Now I got to get out of here before I...
Classic Caillou. What are you doing?
Just going to the bathroom.
Oh, okay.
Phew. That was a close one. I almost got caught. Ha 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 ha. That was so funny because my mom has pink hair now. Oh crap. It's Mom.
Classic, Caillou. Seriously, bro. Look what you did. You made my hair pink. Thanks a lot, son. That's it. You are grounded for 9213145151526262524256262626262626261007161 6 hours. I will now take your electronics.
No! My mom took my electronics away again. What?